Find the sum of a, b, c, d. a, b, c, d are distinct positive integers satisfying 7 minus a times 7 minus b times 7 minus c times 7 minus d equals 4. Factors of 4 minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 4, 4. Since a doesn't equal b, doesn't equal c, doesn't equal d, so 7 minus a doesn't equal 7 minus b, doesn't equal 7 minus c, doesn't equal 7 minus d. Equation 1 can be written as 7 minus a times 7 minus b times 7 minus c times 7 minus d equals minus 1 times 1 times minus 2 times 2. Without loss of generality, assume a is greater than b, is greater than c, is greater than d. So 7 minus a is less than 7 minus b, is less than 7 minus c, is less than 7 minus d. From equation 2 and inequality 3, we have 7 minus a equals minus 2, 7 minus b equals minus 1, 7 minus c equals 1, 7 minus d equals 2. Thus, a equals 9, b equals 8, c equals 6, d equals 5. Hence, the sum of a, b, c, d equals 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5, which is 28. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.